Hey everyone! Sometimes a clean chart is the best chart. Removing the volume indicator allows you to focus purely on price action or make room for other technical tools. In 2026, TradingView gives you 3 quick ways to clear your screen. Step 1. The Quick Delete, Chart Legend. We're starting at the top left corner of your main chart area. We're heading to the Indicator Legend. We do this because it's the fastest way to delete any specific tool without opening extra menus. Look for the text that says Vol followed by some numbers. Hover your mouse over the Vol name and a small set of icons will appear. Click the X icon, remove, and the histogram at the bottom will vanish instantly. Step 2. The right-click shortcut. Now we're on the volume histogram itself. We're heading directly to the bars at the bottom of the screen. We do this if you prefer using your mouse for contextual commands. Right-click on any of the vertical volume bars at the bottom of the screen. Select Remove from the context menu that pops up. If you don't want to delete it forever, you can also select Hide the eye icon to keep the data calculated but invisible. Step 3. Managing via the object tree. We're heading to the right sidebar. We're looking for the object tree and multi-select icon. It looks like 3 stacked layers. We do this to manage volume when your chart is cluttered with too many other indicators. Click the object tree icon at the bottom of the right side toolbar. Find Volume in the list of active objects. Click the trash can icon next to it. This is the cleanup phase, ensuring your workspace is organized and high performance. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.